Namaste, I'm Dr. Gitanjali Parekh, and this is our Gentle Companion course for class 11th Psychology. I had made earlier also one video on it, that is what is psychology. You can just have a look on it, and I'll just give a link. So if you haven't seen that video, you can go there and have a view about it, so that it helps you out. And in case it's if you have already done so, I would like to continue with the next part, that is how psychologists study behavior. So in this video we will be discussing how psychologists they study behavior. So in psychology, behavior is not just observed. Many people say, no, it's you have to do observe students. So it is studied with care, curiosity, and scientific methods. So psychologists they use different methods or approaches to study behavior of an individual. Now, what are these methods? Now, these methods are observation. What is observation? In here, the psychologist or we observe the behavior of a person in a natural as well as in controlled settings. Next method is case study method. In case study method, we deep dive into the individual experiences. What all experiences that individual is having, we study that in detail. Then next method is survey and questionnaire. Here the data regarding that individual is collected from different sources so that we have a different accurate information about that individual. Next method is experiments. Experiments is testing the cause and effect of certain thing or variable. It would be better if I say variables in a controlled way, so that we know that this thing is causing this effect in an individual or the people around. Then we have is the psychological testing. Here we measure the traits like intelligence, personality, or aptitude. Now, why it matters? These methods help psychologists understand not just people, what kind of a person this is, but why they do. Means to say, not just what people do, but why they do. That is very important. So that was all about how this. So in the next video, we will explore the goals of psychology, what it hopes to achieve through these studies. Subscribe if you'd like to walk this path with me, and thank you for being here. And if you are interested in reading the article, you can read on my blog post. The link is being given in the description. Thank you very much.